demon buffet, and Denji is the hungriest? Welcome back, my fellow Weebers. Let's get into another episode of Chainsaw, episode 7. Let's get into it.
We're out of here. You and me or even Steven.
He ate him! Oh, shit. What's going on?
You won't find my heart no matter where you slice. You can't kill me.
He really out here trying to actually kill it. I hope he does, because this shit is immense. Like, it's huge. And who knows where his demon heart might lie.
He's a devil? This does not
I'm sorry. They didn't know. Oh, it's just an amazing like moment when like the other characters doesn't know that the character that they're working with actually have some form of like capabilities. Like they can handle themselves. They're not as useless as you think they are. Yeah. Is he catching on? Is he catching on? Like, did it catch on? Is he actually losing his power right now? Power. Is he losing his power right now? Like, shouldn't he need to like eat other like demons to gain back his like momentum and abilities? He's literally sawing through this demon. How is he losing power?
You need to accept that you failed.
He literally got a buffet right there. You don't gotta worry.
The grossest thing I've ever swallowed. But hearing your shrieks and seeing you bent all out of shape makes this shit as sweet as strawberry jam.
Well, the kind of hunters a devil fears most. Ones with a few screws loose and no screwdriver.
I'm freaking crying. I wonder what's going on through her mind right now. I was like, I can't believe it. No, I think he was. Oh my god. And then like, you know, the whole like scenario right now is like, Denji has always had a screw loose.
Then us after the gun.
Could have sworn you joined public safety so you'd have a shot at killing that thing too.
No same person. But he has a vengeance. Dude lost his entire family to that thing. I'd go after them too.
Master, you're drinking too much.
There you go, being sensible. Knock your screws loose every day to be unhinged.
I like how she's out here talking to him about him drinking too much, but then she smokes too much. I don't know which one kills you faster, but I'm pretty sure losing your lungs. I don't know. It's just, I don't know which one kills you faster, but one of them does. What the hell just happened? Did he get his neck broken? Did I see that right? I don't know.
It is done.
But this guy right here.
Fountains of blood explode from you with every slice.
His screws aren't just loose. They fell out. He might really be able to kill that damn gun.
What the hell kind of look is that on her face? Is that happiness? Oh, holy shit. Damn, they're dying over there.
Oh, you didn't die on me, did you?
No, not yet.
Damn, not yet.
We've been stuck here anyway.
Since you got stabbed, it's been about 3 days, I think.
Wait. Since he got stabbed, it's been 3 days? So, Denji has been fighting for 3 days? How freaking insane is that? And ain't nobody else is doing anything to, like, help. Like, Powers is sitting there. Damn. Wait. It's literally so... Well, okay. Let me get my thoughts together here. Okay. So, because of all the excruciating fights it's gone through with Denji, it can't take it anymore, so it willfully offers its heart to stop it? That's freaking what? Damn. Okay.
You're quitting already? I was having fun splashing around this bloodbath like a kid in a pool!
Damn. Does he get his prize now? Is Denji getting his prize now? I mean, he's a little smoochy smooch. And I don't know what the hell he's asking for Mikasa, because who knows? She literally said anything.
Sky's clear. Feels like I just took a giant shit or something. Floating on air with every step.
Oh, shit.
He's out. I'd be wiped too if I fought for 3 days without sleep. They need a hospital stat, so we'll make sure that they both get to one. You two head back to the office and...
Well, that's one of the reasons why I think that the other devil is a little bit afraid, because maybe Denji's unkillable? But that is only true to say if he gets consistent demon blood. So, I don't really know how exactly this is going to progress, but that's one of my reasons for why the gun devil might be afraid of him. But we don't really know the true extent of a chainsaw devil. I mean, I don't know the true extent of a chainsaw devil.
Think for a sec. She usually likes to travel, but she's stayed in Tokyo lately. It's because Denji's here, yeah? So, has she cracked his code and learned all his secrets, or what?
I would love to know, what is the secrets? What is the secrets, and why is Miss Makima so obsessed with him, and why are the devils afraid of him? I want to know. If y'all know. Do I want you guys to tell me, or do I want you guys not to tell me? Because I haven't finished it yet. And if you guys tell me, that means it'll be a spoiler. I don't know. Let's just leave that for another time.
So, what about that kissing reward?
Damn.
Oh, I'm too shy and sober to kiss you right now. But I'll do it when I'm drunker. I'll be sure to make it extra juicy and intense.
Oh my God.
For trying to feed you to that stupid old devil.
All is forgiven, like me.
I'm Kobani Higashiyama, 20 years old. The devil I have a contract with is secret. And my hobby is finding and eating yummy things.
Aww.
Cute.
If only she's able to spend her money on, expensive things to be able to eat those food.
Me down from my older sister.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and apart from you greenhorns, I think she's kissed everyone here.
Oh, shit.
No escaping her.
She kissed literally everybody.
Oh, my God. Today I am gonna get my first kiss ever. Kiss?
Oh!
Pardon me.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It's like, why would you want to kiss with anybody else but Mikasa? She's like, hello, what? You gonna get a kiss? From who? At least that's what I'm assuming.
One draft beer when you get a chance.
Please, have a seat. I insist.
Going to kiss somebody?
Oh, hell no!
Shame. You don't want to kiss me anymore?
Hell yeah!
Hell no. Hell yeah. Which one is it?
Easy, sir. Another round for me.
But on the other hand, I really want that kiss with tongue just as bad. I'll have to try and change the subject for now. Hey, guess what? I found a chunky thingamabobber and snatched it up.
I heard.
And you know precisely why that is, don't you, ma'am?
Don't call her out like that. Damn. Damn. She can drink.
Now drink me, then I'll tell you.
Oh?
Excuse me,
Oh,
sir.
shit.
2 more beers, please.
Why not make it 3? More horse meat and chicken!
Fried chicken!
He cried. Oh my god.
Excuse me. I'll take another beer, please.
I'm still in disbelief, Howard.
She
Not many fiends suppress.
she's gone through so many drinks that she's not even like tipsy. Damn.
Their homicidal desires.
It is 120 then.
Though she's also got a high IQ, don't ya?
Specifically 134.
A
Oh,
little too proud if you remember it so well.
Mine's somewhere between 500 and 1,000. Yes.
which one is it? Is it 100? It is. Is it 120? Is it? What is it? She's about to kiss him, and he's about to go ahead and embarrass himself in front of Miss Makima. Oh. Yo, what the hell? Ah! I can't watch this. Ew! Oh, that's so gross.
Could we get a towel over here? Or anything to wipe this up? Just watch. This entire fiasco is about to get way worse. If it holds nutritional value and enters
so
your body,
gross.
throw the swallow no matter what.
That is so freaking gross. Why? And why did he swallow it? Is it because like he's a devil? Shit. Oh, damn. Ah,
Dinner is served.
that's so cute.
Check it out, Pochita. Gross. They're just chowing down on some drunk's puke. Never mind how it didn't agree with someone else's stomach. As a fellow mammal, I feel sorry.
Ew. Ah.
Kimino has no
That's so
choice.
gross. That's so freaking gross. Ew.
I'm glad my method's helping. Picked it up taking care of my mom when she'd come home after work drunk. Although I'd much rather my talents be related to devil hunting. Like
You know he's not drunk, right? But he probably wish he was.
In my shoes. Seriously? I waited 16 years for my first kiss. Only for it to taste like...
True.
That's so freaking gross.
Look after Himeno.
I wonder how Makima. I wonder how Makima feels now. Like, would she even like try anything with him now? Cause like she just saw that, and she was not even phased. Really, she was like, "Can we get a towel?"
She covered the whole tab.
The best tasting alcohol to me is the kind someone else paid for.
Right?
Hold on. Where'd Denji go?
He's with Hime now. She scooped him up and carried him piggyback style somewhere.
Please don't tell me she's gonna kiss him again.
It's dark. Too dark. Where am I anyway? Water. I need water. Wait, that's right. I got barf kissed by Princess Pukes a lot.
My God, so nasty.
Really need some water.
Don't kiss him again.
What the hell's going on?
She's so gross.
Oh, sweet Denji. You're crazy about Miss Makima, aren't you?
Oh, I understand. I understand now because she puked in his mouth, and he swallowed it, and he swallowed the puke. The puke contained alcohol, so now I guess he's hangover. That's so gross. Ugh.
Million times better than that selfish bitch.
What is she doing?
Wanna do it?
He's freaking 16. I don't know what the age range is for like 16-year-olds in Japan or whatever, but like I'm pretty sure it's not legal. Damn. Alright. Okay. Anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, this episode, tell me down in the comments what weirded you guys out the most. What made you guys want to throw up in your mouth and not inside yourself? Because, I don't know. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe on what you guys thought about this video. And I'll see you guys next episode on Chainsaw. Weebiacs out.